Skunkworks Spin Dynamics. Breakdancing Powermoves Fundamentals Project. Company Overview. Name, Skunkworks Spin Dynamics. Founded, 2024. Headquarters, San Francisco, California. Project Overview. Project Name, Breakdancing Powermoves Fundamentals. Goal, develop a comprehensive online training program for aspiring b-boys and b-girls to master essential power moves. Core power moves: Thomas Flare, Elbow Flare, Windmill, Belly Flare, Halo, Hong 10 Freeze. Delivery: online learning platform with instructional videos, a progression system, skill assessments, and community forum. Mission and Vision. Mission: empower dancers of all skill levels to master breakdancing fundamentals through structured, safe, and engaging training programs. Vision: to be the leading global authority in breakdancing education, fostering a community of confident and skilled dancers. Founders and key team members. Founders: DJ Spin Master, renowned breakdancer and DJ Lil Jesus. Name, experienced project manager and breakdancing enthusiast. Key team members: Windmill Wizard, lead instructor Flare Queen, head of curriculum development Headspin Hero, platform development manager Cam Crew, video production team Community Chris, online community moderator Marketer Mike, marketing specialist Safety Sam, health safety advisor Legal Lucy, legal advisor Financer Fred, budget controller. Project Charter, Windmill Rotation Mastery Program. Project Overview. Goal: teach Thomas Flare, Elbow Flare, Windmill, Belly Flare, Halo, and Hong 10 Freeze. Achieve one complete windmill rotation. Objective: develop flexibility, strength, and technique for windmill rotation. Project Objectives. Develop necessary flexibility and strength. Master prerequisite moves and positions. Learn step-by-step windmill technique. Achieve one full windmill rotation. Scope: in scope, flexibility and strength training. Learning prerequisite moves, backspin, butt spin. Step-by-step windmill technique instruction. Practice sessions. Safety measures and injury prevention. Out of scope, advanced breakdancing techniques. Choreographed routines. Deliverables. Flexibility and strength training plan. Mastery of prerequisite moves. Step-by-step windmill technique guide. Video documentation of successful windmill rotation. Safety guidelines for practice. Timeline. Week 1-2, flexibility and strength training. Week 3-4, mastering prerequisite moves. Week 5-6, learning windmill technique. Week 7-8, practice and refinement. Budget. Lead instructor, cost TBT. Training equipment, mats, protective gear, $150. Total, $150, excluding instructor cost. Project Team. Lead instructor, experienced breakdancer. Trainee, beginner breakdancer. Spotter, safety assistant. Stakeholders. Project team members. Local breakdancing community. Dance studio or training facility. Risks and mitigation strategies. Physical injury, mitigation through proper warm-up, stretching, and safety guidelines. Slow progress, mitigation by breaking down the move into smaller, manageable steps. Loss of motivation, mitigation by setting realistic expectations and celebrating small victories. Success criteria. Trainee performs one complete windmill rotation. Movement is executed safely and with proper form. Trainee understands the mechanics and can explain the technique. Key milestones. Week 1, begin flexibility and strength training. Week 3, master prerequisite moves. Week 5, learn the windmill technique. Week 7, practice windmill rotation. Week 8, achieve and refine windmill rotation. Key steps. Master the butt spin and back spin as prerequisites. Practice the clock concept for directional understanding. Learn the turtle freeze position and head ramping technique. Develop core strength and flexibility, especially in shoulders and hips. Practice the continuous motion, focusing on momentum and body positioning. Project Charter. Breakdancing Power Moves Fundamentals. Project Overview. Goal: create a comprehensive training program focused on fundamental breakdancing power moves. Project Goals: develop a detailed curriculum covering key power move fundamentals. Produce a series of high-quality instructional videos demonstrating proper techniques. Implement a progression system for learners to track their advancement. Establish a supportive online community for participants. Key stakeholders: project sponsor, DJ Spin Master, project manager, Breakbeat. Lead instructor, Windmill Wizard. Instructors: Flare Queen, Headspin Hero. Video production team, Cam Crew. Platform developer, WebWiz. Community moderator, Community Chris. Marketing specialist, Marketer Mike. Health safety advisor, Safety Sam. Legal advisor, Legal Lucy. Budget controller, Financer Fred. Scope. In scope, fundamental power moves, for example, windmills, flares, headspins. Out of scope, Advanced variations. Battle strategies. Deliverables curriculum outline. Instructional video series. Online learning platform. Progress tracking system. Community forum. Timeline project start date, September 1, 2023. Curriculum development, September 1 to October 15, 2023. Video production, October 16 to December 15, 2023. Platform launch, January 15, 2024. Community activation, February 1, 2024. Budget total allocated budget, $100,000. Success criteria 90% of participants report improved power move skills. 80% retention rate for the duration of the program. 1,000 active community members within 6 months of launch. Average user rating of 4.55 for instructional content. Risks and mitigation strategies. Risk, potential for participant injury mitigation. Emphasize proper warm-up and safety techniques in all materials. Risk, varying skill levels among participants. Mitigation, implement a flexible progression system with multiple entry points. Risk, lower engagement in online community. Mitigation, regular content updates and moderated discussions to foster interaction. Communication plan, stakeholder communication. Stakeholder, DJ Spin Master. Method, face-to-face meetings, email. Frequency, weekly. Content, project status, major decisions, risk updates. Responsible, breakbeat. Stakeholder, breakbeat. Method, team meetings, project software. Frequency, daily. Content, all project aspects. Responsible, self. Stakeholder, Windmill Wizard. Method, video calls, shared documents. Frequency, bi-weekly. Content, curriculum development, instructional content. Responsible, breakbeat. Stakeholder, Flare Queen. Method, video calls, email. Frequency, weekly. Content, content review, student feedback. Responsible, Windmill Wizard. Stakeholder, Headspin Hero. Method, video calls, email. Frequency, weekly. Content, content review, student feedback. Responsible, Windmill Wizard. Stakeholder, Camp Crew. Method, email, shared project timeline. Frequency, bi-weekly. Content, shooting schedule, content requirements. Responsible, breakbeat. Stakeholder, WebWiz. Method, video calls, project software. Frequency, weekly. Content, platform development progress, issues. Responsible, breakbeat. Stakeholder, community quiz. Method, email, forum reports. Frequency, weekly. Content, community engagement metrics, issues. Responsible, breakbeat. Stakeholder, beginner breakers. Method, surveys, platform notifications. Frequency, monthly. Content, course updates, feedback requests. Responsible, community quiz. Stakeholder, advanced B-boys/B-girls. Method, email newsletter. Frequency, quarterly. Content, project updates, guest instructor opportunities. Responsible, marketer Mike. Stakeholder, local dance studios. Method, email, phone calls. Frequency, monthly. Content, partnership updates, cross-promotion opportunities. Responsible, marketer Mike. Stakeholder, Safety Sam. Method, email, document sharing. Frequency, monthly as needed. Content, content safety review, guideline updates. Responsible, Windmill Wizard. Stakeholder, Legal Lucy. Method, email, formal reports. Frequency, quarterly as needed. Content, legal compliance updates, contract reviews. Responsible, breakbeat. Stakeholder, Finance of Red. Method, face-to-face meetings, financial reports. Frequency, monthly. Content, budget reviews, financial forecasts. Responsible, breakbeat. Stakeholder, marketer Mike. Method, video calls, marketing dashboards. Frequency, bi-weekly. Content, marketing strategy, performance metrics. Responsible, breakbeat. Stakeholder communication. Expanded project management outputs. Project management plan. Executive summary. Break It Down project aims to teach breakdancing power moves to beginners by developing an online curriculum and fostering an interactive learning community. This document outlines the plan for executing and delivering the project. Objectives: develop and launch an online curriculum for breakdancing power moves. Engage and retain at least 1,000 active users within the first 6 months. Ensure a 90% satisfaction rate among participants. Project schedule: curriculum development, 6 weeks. Content production, 8 weeks. Platform development, 10 weeks. Marketing and launch, ongoing. Budget, allocated budget, $100,000. Expense categories: personnel, equipment, platform development, marketing, miscellaneous quality management, regular reviews and feedback cycles with instructors, participants, and stakeholders. Risk management: identify potential risks, assess their impact and likelihood, and develop mitigation strategies. Communication: regular updates and feedback loops with all stakeholders, using a mix of meetings, emails, and project management tools. Team accountability and tools: team roles and responsibilities. Role: project sponsor. Responsibilities: provide vision and strategic direction, approve major decisions. Role: project manager. Responsibilities: oversee all project aspects, manage team and resources, ensure timelines are met. Role: lead instructor. Responsibilities: develop curriculum, lead instructional content creation. Role: instructors. Responsibilities: assist with content creation, provide feedback and support. Role: video production team. Responsibilities: produce high-quality instructional videos. Role: platform developer. Responsibilities: build and maintain the online learning platform. Role: community moderator. Responsibilities: manage the online community, encourage participation, handle issues. Role: marketing specialist. Responsibilities: develop and execute marketing strategies, track performance. Role: health safety advisor. Responsibilities: ensure all training content adheres to safety guidelines. Role: legal advisor. Responsibilities: ensure legal compliance, review contracts and agreements. Role: budget controller. Responsibilities: monitor and control project budget, ensure financial transparency. Project charter. Project goal: develop and launch the Break It Down online curriculum for breakdancing power moves, engaging 1,000 plus active users within the first 6 months with a 90% satisfaction rate. Project objectives: create a detailed curriculum and produce high-quality instructional videos. Build a user-friendly online platform with tracking and community features. Implement an effective marketing strategy to attract and retain users. Scope. In scope, curriculum development, instructional videos, platform development, marketing, community building. Out of scope, advanced breakdancing techniques, live classes. Deliverables: complete online curriculum with instructional videos. Functioning online platform with user tracking and community features. Marketing materials and campaigns. Timeline. Project start date, September 1, 2023. Curriculum development, September 1 to October 15, 2023. Video production, October 16 to December 15, 2023. Platform development, September 1 to December 15, 2023. Marketing and launch, ongoing. Budget. Total budget, $100,000. Expense categories: personnel, equipment, platform development, marketing, miscellaneous. Success criteria: 1,000 plus active users within 6 months. 90% satisfaction rate among participants. Positive feedback on instructional content. Risks and mitigation strategies. Physical injury: ensure safety guidelines are emphasized and followed. Lower engagement: create engaging content and foster an active community. Budget overruns: monitor expenses closely and adjust plans as necessary. Essential resources. Resource: project management software. Description: tools like Asana or Trello for task tracking and team collaboration. Resource: video production equipment. Description: cameras, lighting, and editing software for creating instructional videos. Resource: online platform. Description: custom-built or third-party platform for hosting curriculum and community features. Resource: marketing materials. Description: digital ads, social media content, email campaigns. Resource: safety equipment. Description: mats and protective gear for safe practice. Example of project initiation. Step 1. Define project goals and objectives. Goal: develop and launch a comprehensive online breakdancing curriculum. Objectives: create a curriculum, produce videos, build a platform, engage users. Step 2. Identify key stakeholders. Stakeholders: project sponsor, project team, breakdancing community, local studios. Step 3. Develop project scope. In scope, curriculum, videos, platform, marketing, community. Out of scope, advanced techniques, live classes. Step 4. Establish success criteria. Criteria: user engagement, satisfaction rates, feedback. Step 5. Create initial timeline and budget. Timeline: September 1 to December 15, 2023. Budget: $100,000. Conclusion. The Break It Down project by Skunkworks Spin Dynamics aims to revolutionize breakdancing education by providing accessible, high-quality training to aspiring dancers. With a well-defined project plan, clear objectives, and a dedicated team, the project is set to achieve its goals and make a significant impact on the breakdancing community. This is considered a project charter. A project charter is a formal document that authorizes a project and provides a clear outline of its objectives, scope, stakeholders, and other key aspects. Your document includes essential elements of a project charter: company overview, name, Skunkworks Spin Dynamics. Founded, 2024. Headquarters, San Francisco, California. Project overview, project name, Breakdancing Powermoves Fundamentals. Goal: develop a comprehensive online training program for aspiring b-boys and b-girls to master essential power moves. Core power moves: Thomas Flare, Elbow Flare, Windmill, Belly Flare, Halo, Hong 10 Freeze. Delivery: online learning platform with instructional videos, a progression system, skill assessments, and community forum. Mission and vision: mission, empower dancers of all skill levels to master breakdancing fundamentals through structured, safe, and engaging training programs. Vision: to be the leading global authority in breakdancing education, fostering a community of confident and skilled dancers. Founders and key team members: founders, DJ Spin Master, Lil Jesus. Name key team members: Windmill Wizard, Flare Queen, Headspin Hero, Cam Crew, Community Chris, Marketer Mike, Safety Sam, Legal Lucy, Financer Fred. Project Charter: specific programs, Windmill Rotation Mastery Program, goals, objectives, scope, deliverables, timeline, budget, project team, stakeholders, risks, success criteria, key milestones, key steps. Overall project charter: project goal: develop and launch the Break It Down online curriculum for breakdancing power moves, engaging 1,000 plus active users within the first 6 months with a 90% satisfaction rate. Project objectives, scope, deliverables, timeline, budget, success criteria, risks and mitigation strategies. Essential resources: project management software, video production equipment, online platform, marketing materials, safety equipment. Project initiation example, steps: define project goals and objectives, identify key stakeholders, develop project scope, establish success criteria, create initial timeline and budget. Conclusion: overview of project aims and expected impact on the breakdancing community. All these elements collectively form a comprehensive project charter, outlining the foundation, goals, structure, and execution plan for the project.